Bye, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Okay. Hit that bell. Anyways, so we're studying for our test. So quickly, I can put a little review in here. We know that if we add or subtract fractions, we have to have the same denominator. So that's easy. The next one. So here, 1/3 plus 1/4, that does not have a common.
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't have a common?
Denominator.
Common what? Denominator. So, if we try to add 1/3 plus 1/4, that doesn't make sense. It really doesn't. 1/6 plus 1/4, that doesn't make sense either. When we make them into smaller sizes, like 12s, then it makes sense. Right? Yeah. So we need to multiply so that we get 12s on the bottom. Okay, then we've got multiplying fractions. The first thing I told you to think about with a simple example is something like a fourth times a fourth. A fourth of a fourth is what?
16.
It's 1/16. 1/4 of 1/4. You only get this little part right here, which is 1 out of 16. Okay? And then when you're doing your division, you can think about your keep, change, flip if that works for you. And you can also think about some of these things. Right? Like that. Okay, so let's get some of these done. So I do have a volunteer, Voldemort, coming up from Harry Potter's world. Go ahead. Okay, Voldemort.
Oh wait.
How do we do number 1?
Okay, so. Oh wait. I forgot what.
Well, how do we do it?
When you try to find the. Oh wait. The fraction that is equivalent.
Right.
Mhm. And then we do that by dividing.
Dividing, right. So we have to find the same number that can divide into both. So what is our biggest number? We could do 2, but what's bigger than that? 6.
6.
So we divide both of them by 6. And we get 2 over
5.
And that's it. It's D. Okay, how about number 2?
Since it's a negative, we need to do good guys, bad guys.
Right, because we're adding, subtracting here.
And then since 3 is negative, it goes in the that. And then our 1 is also negative, so it goes there.
So bad guys score 3 and 1, so they score a total of 4. Bad guys win by 4, so negative 4/5, right?
Yeah.
Right. All right. Good job, Voldemort. I'm going to go through the rest quickly, even though I know you already saw a YouTube video. Uh-oh, ran out of batteries. Uh-oh. What I would do first on number 2 is I would do the whole numbers first. 5 and 2. What's 5 plus 2? 7. And now we need to get the same denominator since we're adding. So what is the same denominator? Well, 3, 6, 9, it's going to be 9. That means we need to multiply this 2/3 times 3 over 3. How many of y'all figured that out already? Good job. So we've got 6/9 plus 1/9, which makes 7/9. And we also have that whole number 7 over here. Don't forget about that. So final answer is, I'm running out of room, 7 and 7/9.
Let's go. World Cup.
Please don't say anything between problems here because we're in a hurry. We need to get done.
Oh yeah.
All right. So next. All right. What's next? We're gonna do this one. So 5/6, which is C, and negative 1/9. Again, we need to get a common denominator. But what do we find? We get 6 12, 18. It's going to be 18, isn't it? Because I know that 18 goes into 9. So this is going to be times 3 times 3. So we get 15 18s. And this one's times 2 times 2. So 2 18s. There we go. So 5 18s and 2 18s. Don't forget there's this minus in here. So we could do good guys, bad guys, but really we could just subtract on this one. So I'm going to do 15 minus 12. 2 is equal to 13, right? Good guys win though, so it's positive. All right, this one doesn't say plus or minus, but it's multiply. Yeah. So we need to good guys, not good guys, baby. I mean Dorito man it. So positive and negative makes negative. 3 times 3 is 9, and 20. 5 times 4 is 20. Easy. Good. All right. Number 6. Boy, we're going fast. All right.
Yeah.
Negative 3/10 times what? No. Times 25/7. Careful. We have to use the reciprocal. We divide by 5. We get 2 and 5. We get negative, because same thing again. Negative times positive is a negative. Okay, 5 times 3 is 18, and 2 times 7 is, no, that's wrong. 15, yeah, I knew that. 15, and 2 times 7 is 14. So you can have that, or you could make it into a mixed number, negative 1 and 1, 14. Either way. 15 14 is okay too. All right, A over K, that means division, right? So negative 4/5 times the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal? What's the reciprocal? What is it? 5 over 2. Oh, you guys are so smart. Now we can reduce 5 and 5. Divide them, it becomes 1. They divide them both by 5. And Dorito Man is 2 negatives make a positive. 4 over... Oh, we forgot to reduce the 4 and the 2, though. So 4 and 2 can also be reduced to 2 and 1. And we end up with 2 over 1. 2 times 1? 1 times 1. Positive. Right? Okay. Over here, these can both be reduced by 2. 4 over 27. Easy, just multiply. Almost done, almost done. OMG, we're so fast. 2/3. All right, now this is going to be your exit ticket, though. I want to see that you finish this. 4 over 1. Can this be reduced?
Yeah.
No, this one can't. Well, it's 8/3, which can also be 2 and 2/3. Hey, we're just about done. So this person spent all this money, so we need to be able to do our decimals. How much did the person spend? $40 and
95 cents.
95 cents. And we have to subtract that from 50. And we get what?
$9.10.
Yeah, I'm going a little faster. Minus 40, 95. And once you do all the borrowing and stuff, it's $9.20. And we finished with 10 seconds left in class. Bye, YouTube.